Hi, my name is Arjun. Reconstruct your life to better reflect your goals. Success comes step by step, habit by habit, day by day, moment to moment, action to action. If you just change one daily habit, I'll bet that it flows through many other areas of that day. Keep that one habit in place and once fixed, decide on next habit to change or include new habit. Continue this pattern of life changing until you become the person who attracts the goal while working towards goals. Feelings, emotions towards your target is very important. Heighten the feelings you generate around your desires. Your feelings are what play a vital role in manifestation process. Increasing the good vibes that you have associated with any goals or desires will move you forward in taking actions with them. Plus, will cause others to step on board too and help you in your quest. Energy is the source of manifestation and you need to increase personal momentum.